Hi children, how are you? Welcome to our EVS class. Children, now it's time for prayer. All of you close your eyes. Let's start. Asatoma Shatkamayam Tamasoma Jyotirkamaya Drityomam Amardam Kamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Children, all of you slowly open your eyes. Children, in this class, we are going to learn about new concept. Before going to the session, shall we do our energizer? That is Juguja for you children. Are you all ready? Yes. Let's start. Thumbs up, thumbs on, elbow up, elbow down, knees bend, bum out, Juguja, Juguja, Jugu Jugu Juguja. Superb children. In this session, we will learn about bank, police station and fire station. Children, look at the given pictures. Have you seen these places near your houses? Children, can you tell the names of these places? Tell us, discuss, what did we see? Did we see a bank, police station and fire station? Children, listen. Give a thumbs up if they have a police station or a bank or a fire station near their houses. Children, let's start exploring the concept. Our neighborhood has many places like bank, police station and fire station. Children, now let us learn about bank. Children, tell, where do you collect or save some coins when your father or mother gives them to you? With them in a piggy bank, isn't it? Yes. In the same way, people save the money and keep it in a place called bank. Whenever people need money, they go to the bank and take it from their savings. Listen children, in the bank, the cashier gives us our money when we need it. Listen, bank is a place where all financial transactions happen. Children, now let us learn what is a police station. Children, tell, is there is a theft or robbery in your neighborhood? Where would you go and report about it? Yes, you are right. We go to a police station and we should report about the theft or robbery. Children, listen. Police station is a place where policemen and policewomen work. Listen, they catch thieves and robbers, thus helps us to live safely. Listen, police inspector is the person in the police station that listens to all the complaints and then tries to catch the thieves. Children, tell, whom do you call if there is a theft in your neighborhood? Children, now let us learn what is a fire station. Children, have you ever seen a long red vehicle which comes with loud siren and put out fires in buildings and factories? It is called a fire engine. Fire engine come with a loud siren and they are red in color. Firemen take out huge pipes full of water and throw water over burning buildings to put off the fires. Children, let's check. If fire breaks out in one of neighborhood buildings, whom will you call for help? Now, let's quickly check our understanding of the concept learned. Identify things given below are found in a police station or not. Write Y for the things that are found in the police station and N for the things are not found in the police station. Children, let's quickly check our understanding of the concept learned. Listen, show thumbs up for true statement and thumbs down for false statement. Let's start. First question, fireman gives us money in the bank. Next, policemen and policewomen work in the bank. Next, the police inspector listens to the complaints in the police station. Next, cashiers sitting in the banks help in putting off fire. Next, we keep our saved money in the banks. Next, we should call the fire station in case fire breaks in the neighborhood buildings. Children, now it's time for worksheet. Do practice on 7, page number 53 in book. Now it's time for homework. Do page number 35 in workbook. One more question. Do question number 4, page number 37 in workbook. Children, upload your work through Google Classroom app. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. We will meet you in the next video. Stay home, stay safe, stay connected, keep learning. Thank you, children.